I have two questions for you guys. First question, do you know how to code? And the second question is, do you know how to build a website? If the answer is no for at least any one of these questions, then this particular course is going to be very useful for you guys. Please continue watching this video, guys. In this course, what we are actually going to learn is this particular part. We are going to learn how to build a completely new website from scratch without writing even one single line of code. So what we have done is we have actually built a particular course where we have divided that into multiple modules. In this particular module, we are going to teach each section of building a course in a very systematic manner. So what are we going to learn in this course? We are going to use a particular platform to build this website. Now, anytime using code to build a platform is always appreciated because coding is a very good skill. But what is it for people who don't know how to code? They will also need to build a website at some point of their life, right? For them, there are multiple platforms that you can actually use to build your website. So we're going to talk about one particular platform. We're going to talk about how to buy domains, and we're going to talk about how you can use this domain to build your website. Selecting a theme according to your business model or according to your need. How you can customize this entire website based upon your requirement, because you get a theme, you will have to make some tweaks and changes here and there to make what you need over here. What kind of plugins you can actually use in your website to increase your potential towards your customer, how to launch your website, and what kind of analysis that you can actually do to check whether your website is working in a perfect model. So this is what you're actually going to learn over here.